Well, good evening, everybody, and welcome back to Long Dong Personal Truck Stop. We have a sponsored video today. What does that mean? That means somebody sent me $50 to cover a video topic of their choice. And if you want a sponsored video, see the pinned comment below at the conclusion of this live stream, and I'll cover whatever topic you want, unless it would get me deleted off of YouTube. Okay. It's $50 for non-members and it's $45 for channel members. In this sponsored video, we're going to cover a stock that is not near and dear to my heart, known as Funko. Funko, my throbbing Junko. Now, Funko Pops are these little toys that you get that are like collectibles, right? Like, let's say you like The Office. The Office, bro. Michael Scott, bro. You can get a little toy that has Michael Scott and Dwight Schrute and all the other freaking characters. You can get these cutesy little toys. That's Funko, okay? Pretty cool, huh? So let's go ahead and dive right into the company's financials, okay? All right, we're sharing. Yep, we're sharing. Okay. So here we have Funko Incorporated, ticker symbol FNKO. Yeah, it's about to get KO'd, it looks like. It's got a market cap of $158 million on trailing revenue of $928 million. Okay. So a price to sales of like, what, 0.2? Not good. Net income, negative $68 million in the last 4 quarters. This company lost $68 million in the last 4 quarters. PE ratio, non-existent. Forward PE, non-existent. You know what that means? They're not even expected to generate profits in the future by the analysts. All right, so it's currently literally a penny stock. It's literally a penny stock. Anything below $5 is a penny stock. It's trading at $287. Oh, but it's up 1.39% after hours. Excuse me, I'm a fraud. All right, over the past year, it's fallen 72, almost 73%. This is an ugly chart. Okay, what does this chart remind you of, people? This looks like a clown market chart, okay? Every clown stock looks exactly like this. It went ballistic during the clown market. I'm sure Jeremy bought it. No, I don't know. And ever since the cloud market ended, it utterly collapsed. Now, I remember, back when I was working at NASA, a lot of people had these in their office, like the little Funko toys. And I think I bought my queen a Funko one time, but it wasn't good enough, of course. It's never good enough. But it seems to have died off. Like, I don't really see them as much anymore, okay? I mean, maybe they've diversified into other collectibles, right? But I just don't see it that much. So it looks like it's completely fallen off a cliff, okay? And the market's telling you something here, okay? A market cap, a price to sales of 0.2, basically. Negative net income, trailing, no forward PE. Sounds like a very risky investment, okay? Funko, my big Junko, a pop culture consumer products company, designs, manufactures, and markets licensed pop culture products in the United States, Europa, and internationally. It offers media and entertainment content, including movies, TV shows, video games, music, and sports. Figures, handbags, backpacks, wallets. Wow, they do all this? We'll go check out the website. The company sells its products through specialty resellers, mass market retailers, e-commerce sites, and distributors, and has specialty licensing and comic book shows. It was incorporated in 2017 in Everett, Washington. Oh, the West Coast, my favorite. So let's go check out the website, okay? Oh, guys, it's Black Friday. It's 50% off. You know what's 100% off, genius? If you don't buy it, okay? Why can't I see this? Okay. So let's see what they have here. Let's shop under $5. That's all I'm going to give this company. This actually freaking loads. What the hell is this? Oh, look, guys, you can get a little cute little keychain. You know, my son's into Sonic. He might actually like that. Okay. Maybe I will buy from them. Okay, so they got little keychains. Wow. That's cool. Very very bullish. What could possibly go wrong with a little knick-knack company? Let's do under $20. Oh, wow. We have Tin Man. We have the Cowardly Lion from what, the Yellow Brick Road, the Wizard of Oz. Mega Man. Wow. So, I mean, basically, these are knickknacks, okay? This is the kind of stuff that I hate about consumerism. This kind of junk I freaking hate. Bro, I just spend money to spend money on junk. And then you just put it on a table. Like, I don't know. Why don't you put money into your kid's college fund instead of buying this freaking nonsense? Just blatant consumerist crap. Okay, so you kind of get an idea of what they sell. What's Bippity Bop? Bippity Pop, excuse me. Oh, they got Mickey Mouse. What is this? Oh, it's like little kids' toys? Who's and I bet you it's mostly adults buying this crap. I bet you it's not even kids. Okay. Wow, guys, this company is amazing. Okay. All right, let's go look at their most recent presentation. So, this is their Q3 supplemental information. November 2025. Actually, let's go look at the big picture first. Okay, let's go look at the see how the financials in the broad sense have been doing. All right, revenue, my avenue. Kind of been on a downtrend, okay? Revenue kind of went crazy. It went up massively during the clown market because, of course, people took their free money and they bought this nonsense. But revenue's been kind of trending down over the last couple of years. Let's look at margins. Gross margin, shockingly, has been able to maintain its stability. That's shocking. Operating margin, they've been incurring a lot of losses recently. I mean, the most recent quarter, they had a little profit, but they were doing pretty good during the cloud market, and then they just started losing money, basically. Their profit margin, basically either losing money massively in the last couple of quarters or barely being profitable. Let's look at earnings per share. Wow. Look at this. Just negative earnings per share everywhere. And every once in a while, a slight profit. Free cash flow per share. Kind of all over the place. Okay. Let's go look at their balance sheet. All right. So they got $40 million in cash, $128 million in receivables, $300 million of liquid assets, $457 million of current debts, of which $104 million is a current portion of long-term debt. So they got some debt coming due they're going to have to roll over because I doubt they'll pay it off. Let's see how much interest is consuming their operating income. Where's it at? Woo! Look at this. So in their most recent quarter, they had operating income of $7.4 million, $7.5 million, and interest expense ate up 75% of it. 75% of their operating income in the most recent quarter was consumed by debt. Let's see their interest expense. Yeah, that's not good, okay? I mean, it seems to be getting worse recently. The interest, their debt's kind of hurting them. It's really consuming a lot of the profits. Remember, debt holders get paid first, and then preferred shareholders, and then common shareholders. All right, so they got a decent amount of debt. They got some debt coming due. The vast majority of their long-term assets are intangibles. Goodwill, probably trademarks, licenses, et cetera, et cetera. Long-term debt. Let's see. Okay, so wow. So it looks like a lot of their debt is coming due within the next year. So I imagine they're going to refinance it. I could be wrong, but you see how the debt drops precipitously? It's because they reclassified it to a current portion of long-term debt. So if it's due within a year, they go ahead and move it to the short-term current liabilities portion of the balance sheet. So I'm sure they're probably going to refinance it. We'll see. All right, cash flow. Okay, I mean, they've had some quarters of positive operating cash flow, capital expenditures. They kind of slowed down on that. Paying off some debt, wonderful. Okay, but they're probably going to have to refinance. I doubt they're going to deplete all their cash to completely pay off the debt. Ideally, they do chip away at that debt because it's consuming a lot of their operating income. All right, so that's the kind of summary. I mean, losing money, revenue's on the decline. Gross margins have been able to maintain stability, but their operating margin and their profit margin are poop. And the profit margin's so low because of their freaking interest. It's consuming the vast majority of the operating income. And their balance sheet, I mean, it's not the best. It's not the best. It's not the worst. Not the best. All right. All right, let's read a little bit more. Top 10 properties. Pokemon, Hello Kitty, Marvel, Lilo and Stitch. Top 10 properties in Q3 is a percentage of net sales. Okay. So I guess they sell through all these different... Oh, they have Stranger Things ones? That's cute. Net sales bridge, Q3 2025 versus Q3 2024. So you can see their sales have just pooped out. Let's see why. Net sales related to core collectibles declined 27 million, primarily in the United States, as a result of tariff disruptions and general macroeconomic uncertainty. It was partially offset by growth in Bippity Pop. Loungefly net sales were down 3 million due to a reduction in clearance sales compared to Q3 of last year. And the majority of the sales decline can be attributed to broader profit improvement plans, which includes rationalizing underperforming SKUs and product line. Okay, so I guess they just have less SKUs. Let's look at margins. Okay. So they took a 3.1% hit because of duties and tariffs, and that's probably going to go up more. I wouldn't be surprised. I bet you they front-loaded a lot of inventory. So tariffs has eaten up 3.1% of their freaking gross margin, but they were able to compensate it with improved gross margins because of less factory costs. So they're basically trying to cut factory costs, but most of the factory cost efficiency improvements have been offset by duties and tariffs. What is this? At the start of the upcoming Major League Soccer season, we plan to have retail space at the new state-of-the-art home stadium. This is so stupid. Guys, look, they're gonna be at a soccer stadium, bro. So that's bullish, bro. Pay off the debt. Just get rid of the debt, okay? Our team was among the first to recognize the appeal of K-pop Demon Hunters, Netflix's most popular movie ever. I mean, what? K-pop Demon Hunters? What? What is this? Let's dance. We're going to dance and send the demons back to hell. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We moved quickly to create an exciting lineup of products that's become one of our biggest pre-sale items ever when it launched on Funko.com. Oh, yes. Yes. I'm going to buy more knickknacks. You know, I'm a child-free dink. I'm going to buy every Funko Pop from K-pop Demon Hunters, bro. I'm winning at life, bro. Okay. Maybe this will bail out the company, K-pop Demon Hunters. You can't make this stuff up. Wow, that's Funko. What do you guys think? I mean, it's a lot of concerning things going on here. Penny stock, decent amount of debt. Not looking too pretty. I mean, could it rally? Of course it could rally. But, I mean, long term, is this really a company that, if you had to buy and hold a company for 20 years, would this be on your list? Seriously. Would this be on your list? I got some other companies I potentially would buy, like, I don't know, Amazon, Walmart, like long-run companies that'll probably be there in 20 years. I'm not so sure about Funko. Okay? If you want to trade it or whatever, be my freaking guest. Long-term, really? A pop culture consumer products company? Yeah, I don't think so. Okay? So that's Funko. Not doing too hot. Oh, I'm already getting freaking Funko ads. Thanks. Thanks, bro. I'm just kidding. That's fast. Look at this. I'm already getting a Funko ad. I'm already getting one. What is this? They need to cool off with these targeted advertisements. All right, let's do some member-only comments. That was a sponsored video. If you want a sponsored video, it's $50 for non-members and $45 for members. See the pinned comment below at the conclusion of this live stream. I took your tax advice and now I'm homeless. Thanks a lot. I know, it's over for you. Alan got grifted. Yes, a CPA giving tax advice. He got a cheap deal, man. $37.50 for 30 minutes. Well, we didn't go the whole 30 minutes, but he got it cheap before I raised my prices. Bitcoin is up today. I don't care. It's worthless trash. Look at ASST, Alan. Now you know why I bought a ton while people panicked. I wasn't panicking on Bitcoin. I just don't own it. I don't care. I mean, I want it to go to zero. That would be hilarious. But was I panicking about Bitcoin? No, I was laughing. But I thought VT would give me good returns. It gives you amazing returns. What are you talking about? Bitcoin is cheaper than VT. Gil, I think you're smoking something, man. I wish someone would pay me $50 to browse toys on. Yeah, that's all I did, Alan. That's all I did. And one day, my stock ASST made more than VT. Oh, here we go. Here we go. The classic. I bought a Bitcoin treasury company like a degenerate. It went up a lot in one day. Therefore, VT is trash. And it's just getting started. Bitcoin is massively How is it undervalued? Honestly. Why? Because it dipped? Did you draw a line on a chart, bro? You're probably right, Gil. Where are the rest of the members? I mean, for a video like this, I don't think we're getting a lot of members. It can't just be me and Alan. You own VT. Ha, 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 ha. You and I are the only ones that matter on this channel. Well, yeah, Alan, you do until you stop paying, and then you don't get your comments read anymore. I just barely converted into Bitcoin after realizing how massively undervalued it is. Oh, Gil, you crack me up. Bitcoin ain't a fart coin. It's no different than fart coin. There's no difference between fart coin and Bitcoin, except popularity. It's a marketing competition. LOL, just because you don't understand the value does not mean it has no value. I don't get it, bro. Maybe I should buy Michael Saylor's course if he has one. You're talking to a massive anti-Bitcoin guy. That's right. I am a massive anti-Bitcoin guy. You know what price Bitcoin should be valued at, Gil? You think I converted to Bitcoin because I woke up one day and just randomly decided, yeah, actually, I do think that's why you bought it. No, you really, that's literally why you bought it, Gil. 1 million. Sup, Dong? What's up, Knuckles? My Chuckles, how you doing? A Bitcoin should be worth 1 million. That's a lot. Well, it's worth $1 trillion, bro. Michael Saylor said so. Gold and stock market are multiple trillions higher than Bitcoin. Yeah, as they should be. Funko are items you buy that you don't need to. Yeah, exactly. It's junk. It's total consumerist junk. I hate stuff like that. Okay. There's just a lot better things to buy with your money. I mean, obviously, I can't tell anybody how to spend their money. But if you're like spending all your disposable income on things like that, you're just buying into consumerism. Like, you need to free your mind from that degeneracy. It's not good for you, okay? Yeah, Bitcoin is just barely in infancy. Even though it's at a 90K against almost, has made tons of billionaires. Yeah, it's made a bunch of scammers rich. Of course, yeah, definitely. Definitely has. Think about it this way. 1 million Bitcoin is only 10x from here. Oh, I mean, VT at 130 or 1,370 is only 10x away. Think about it that way, bro. You do realize for Bitcoin to hit 1 million, it's just a 10x, right? Yeah, 10x is easy, bro. I mean, VT will be 1,370 any day now. Palantir made more than a 10x move in a year. It did indeed, unfortunately. K-pop Demon Hunters is huge. I've never heard of that in my life. I don't know what that is. Like, yeah, I believe it's so clownish. I believe it's real. So you think it's crazy for Bitcoin to make a 10x move? Like, it could go anywhere, but that doesn't matter. It's worthless. I wouldn't invest a dime in Funko, layman, but yeah, I mean, like, it's like a trading vehicle, basically. I mean, I'm more of like a long-term investor. Like, you know, if I was to build my own individual stock portfolio, I would just find very high quality companies that I think will be around in 10, 15, 20 years that are probably going to grow revenue and profits, and I'll just buy and hold them. That's what I would do. I'd probably closet index, to be honest. But I'd be honest about it. Oh, I'm a stock picker, bro. I'd be like, yeah, I'm closet indexing. You don't understand Bitcoin. I was one of the biggest advocates against crypto. Oh, you've been awakened. Your mind has been opened, Gil. SCHD is a better investment than, well, I mean, I agree with that. That is true. Yes. Yeah. So you guys really think a 10x Bitcoin move is ludicrous? I think Bitcoin itself is ludicrous. Okay. Where the clowns are going to send it, I don't know. But it's all a scam. I don't care where it goes. It is a scam. I will say this forever. Seeing these comments being read makes me dumber. I know it's tough. You got to have a strong mind, a strong will to be a YouTuber. Smart man. Is that silver? Silver is up 100%. Yeah, metals have been going crazy. They have. If I had the choice between a metal and Bitcoin, I would choose the metal. James, these clowns will miss out. I know I'm missing out, bro. It's been almost 6 months since a member-only video. What are you talking about? This is a member-only video. I'm only reading member comments. Show us your Funko Pop collection. Oh, excuse me. I did buy my queen a Funko Pop, right? So I remember this was like years ago. She was like, you need to buy, can you get me gifts that are like special and basically show that you understand the things I like? I'm like, all right, I'll try it. So I knew she liked marzipan, which is like this candy. And I knew she liked The Office. So I got marzipan. I got a Dwight Schrute Funko Pop. And then I got something else that, you know, she had mentioned before that she liked. And I'm like, all right, well, you know, she said, you know, if I buy things that she likes, she'll be happy, right? Guess what happened? She threw us. So these were supposed to be Christmas presents, right? And I hid them in the closet. And of course, like a little kid, she's like looking through the closet trying to find her Christmas presents. I'm like, you're such a child. Anyway, so she found it. And you know what she did? She got mad at me and threw a shoe at my head and said, that's all you bought me. That's all you bought me. I'm like, sweetheart, I got you. It's personal stuff. I thought it was the thought that counted, sweetheart. And ever since then, I never bought her another present again. Ever. So if a woman does that to you, listen up, boys. If you listen to her once, okay, if she's nagging, try it out. Try it once. And if she still nags afterwards, there's no point in even trying. She'll always nag. So I was like, that's it. I'm never buying you a present again. And I never did. I'm a bad person, I know. Just try harder. Buy her more stuff. Okay. Dong, man, I'm still waiting for you to send me back 10 Bitcoin after I sent you one. Oh, yeah, any day now, bro. Trust me. Give me some time. I've been really busy, bro. Okay. The old RuneScape scam. Send me one and I'll send you two. Dong, are we going to get live streams with Jay Nog? Yeah, we'll get back into it. I've been busy. I've been a busy boy. Jamie, I know. I used to call Bitcoin stupid until I learned about it. Oh, please enlighten us, Gil. Teach us the way. Funny thing is, 1 million is a conservative value for... How did you not see the signs of your ex before you married her? She did radically change after having kids. Some women, once they have kids, like, they go nuts. I guess because they, before they had kids, their lives were easy and pampered. And after they have kids, it's like, oh my God, I'm not just responsible for myself. Oh my God. Oh, I have to take responsibility. Oh, I'm a girl. And they go freaking crazy. That's the price you pay to have kids, boys. Prepare your buttholes. But if you want kids, that's what you got to do. It was worth it overall. It was worth it. Put them in pop protectors. It shows her that they have value. Oh God, I pity her new relations. Stop whining about how busy. It's true. I'm a busy boy. Bitcoin now is 88,570. 10x would be 885,000. 21 million is 18 trillion market cap. Really? I mean, it could go anywhere, dude. It could go anywhere. All right, guys. Well, I think that's it. That was a sponsored video. I don't know. Am I going to do another one tonight? I don't even know what I would talk about. I don't know what I would talk about. I've been kind of lazy this week too. Okay. I mean, I have been busy, but it's the holidays, you know. It's about to be Thanksgiving. I'm about to go up, take my kids to my parents' house. You know, we're going to go do the Polar Express thing, and we're going to have Thanksgiving dinner, and it'll be nice and fun, okay? I just don't have lots of things to do or talk about. Oh, stocks went up today. Oh, the Fed's going to cut rates, bro. Oh, who cares? Busy and lazy, right? I mean, if you think like the amount of side hustling I've done, I have worked harder than probably 95% of Americans. I really have. Full-time job. I work out almost every day. That's why I'm so handsome. I wash my kids. It's just me and them. Tax season, I'm going balls to the wall, like literally. Go to work, get off work, go to the gym, devour dinner, and then do taxes till 10 o'clock at night for most of tax season. I've been a busy boy. Okay. I'm a very productive individual. I don't think there knows capital. Who freaking knows, man? You should invite all the members to parents. I don't think my parents would appreciate a bunch of random people at their house. Oh, man. Yeah, everybody, open invite. Everybody can come to my parents' house for Thanksgiving. Oh, God, my side is killing me. Ugh. All right, well, that's it. Like, subscribe. Consider joining as a member to support the channel. Also consider booking a free, and I mean free, 30-minute consultation with me. I am a certified public accountant and would gladly do your business and or personal taxes any state in the United States. You can talk to me completely for free. I give you an upfront fixed quote for your tax preparation, and I'll do your taxes like a boss. And finally, if you want a sponsored video, see the pinned comment below. $50 for non-members, $45 for members, and I'll cover whatever topic you want, as long as it doesn't get me deleted on YouTube. And no, I'm not giving you a stock price prediction. Nobody knows where the stock market's going to go. They're just pulling numbers out of their freaking butts. All right, have a good night. Cheers.